Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina, and today I'm going to show you guys how I found this basket at Michael's, and it was 60% off of $49.99. And I thought about a display that I wanted to do in my living room for Thanksgiving. I usually do not decorate my living room, but to add a little bit to my decor to make it look very festive for Thanksgiving, I decided to have two of these baskets. So we're going to get right into it, and let's get the designing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do so. I do appreciate it, as I do a video every Saturday for you. And this one is going to be a really quick one. As you already know, I start with the supply that you would need. And then from there, I'll let you enjoy the video and leave me any comments or questions below. And there you have it, guys. Both baskets are done. I'm actually gonna put one on one end of the couch and the other one on the other side. So I love how they came out. I hope you love how they came out as well, and I hope you enjoy doing yours if you decide to do it. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.